Beauty Forever. All right, let's go ahead and look at the inside of this baby. Everything is of course, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Here's the inside. A strap to make it glueless. You know, I always take this all the way over to the other end. We're gonna take it all the way over because I have a little bitty head. And at the back is equipped with a comb, and there's also a drawstring. All right, we're not gonna pull it because I'm gonna pull it on my head and see how tight this goes. This is a middle part. Oh my God. Everything is so beautiful about this wig. I'm talking about from how it's plucked and everything. I'm not gonna lie, Beauty Forever has me so spoiled now. I just want to throw it on and go. I don't want to curl it. I don't want to do anything. So this is what we're working with straight out the box. Of course, you know, if you're a side part girl, you can always do that. Let me just go ahead and put my comb in at the back because I love putting my comb in at the back. And that's also how I know if it is straight at the back. I mean, if the wig is positioned right. Then we're just going to pull the drawstring as far as we can. Go, go, go. And then tuck it. Look at this hairline. We don't even need to glue it down. Nothing's under here, guys. Oh, golly. That's how tight it is. Nothing at all is under this wig. And it's giving bob straight out the box. No curling, no anything. Layered bob. Like what? Who do y'all think y'all playing with? Let's go ahead and spray this. And I'm just going to do this number right here with my hand. Because it's minimum, baby. This is not one of them. We got to do a whole bunch of... I'm just showing you guys how easy this is to put on straight out the box. What? Oh my gosh, I love the lace. And you guys know I love Beauty Forever Hair. Every other video. Beauty Forever Hair, Beauty Forever Hair, Beauty Forever Hair. I just love them over there. Okay. Put a little spray, nothing too heavy. A little spray over here too, nothing too heavy. Just to straighten that part out a little bit. That's my guide, okay? Take this comb right here up the nose. That's our middle part. It's giving that girl. Look at that. I don't want to do anything to this. This is literally like pull out the box and go. In this packaging, we got the bag, wig caps, the tape, and an edge band, which I'm not gonna need because look at this. This is a 7x5 wig. It is a bye-bye knots wig, and this is 12 inches. So tell me what else would you guys like for me to do? Because she's straight out the box. She's straight out the box. You can flat iron it, but I don't want it to lay flat. I want it to have like this, like that look. Oh, that's so cute. Like, what else is there to do? Let's look at those layers. Oh my gosh. I will put some curls in here, but sometimes curls give aged. And I'm already an older lady, so I want to keep it a little bit youthful, okay? So let's just do like a little cute updo. Let's do that. A little piece out. And I'm going to put the rest up like so. Babe, I had to call y'all right back to make sure this work in my favor. So being that I put it up, I'm going to have to put a little spray and tie it down. Just so I don't have... You know, I have to leave a little bit of the size out because it's a 7x5. But it's cute, Chad. It's real, real cute to me. So I just decided to go messy extreme bun with it, or mini bun, because the ponytail was giving a little high school, right? All right, so I will make sure I leave beautiful unit below. I absolutely love it. Get you one, guys. Let's move into the video. All right, guys. Let me put me, oh, hold on, let me do this. We are in, where are we at? Where are we at? Let me, this light is just not doing it for me. We are in, where am I? Washington, D.C., okay? We are here for a lot of things. It's the 4th of July. It's my brother's play. It's just a lot of things going on. We are on day 3 of this trip, okay? Day numero 3. And I was having an awesome time because my brother is here, my man is here, my auntie is here, and my dad ruined my morning. That is the last vlog, but I don't even want to go into that, okay? So I'm at the room just bringing myself down is what I call it, because it gets to the point to where I be so I can be so irritated and overstimulated that it reflects on how I treat my man, and I ain't finna lose my man over my daddy being crazy. So I told him, let me just stay at the room, you go kick it with your cousins for a little bit, and guess what I'm gonna do? Me and breathe and get my blood pressure and all that down before I snap. So that's where we're at with this trip. I might play with this bun a little bit more. Actually, let me just talk to y'all while I do this part. Hold on, this might have been my baby that called me. Then it's an American Best over here. I might go get some wings and then just chill for tonight. My makeup is already done. I'm just gonna switch over to a red lip and a polka dot number, and you know that's just what it's gonna be, child. So I had this in a ponytail, but it was giving very young, which I am at heart. But I got a bobby pin missing, and I really need that because I'm out of town. I just need my ponytail to be perfect because I'm gonna mold this wig and wear it like this the rest of the trip. Now I've lost the whole bobby pin. So hold on, give me a second because I got too much going on. All right, I'm just gonna narrate the rest of the trip. Tonight is the play. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. Sunday is a free day. We're going to Maryland, and we'll be home Monday. So let me get myself together, child. See, the gag is I'm out of town. I don't have no flat iron, any of that kind of stuff. It still got to make it happen, but I'm going to make it happen. So, yeah. Oh, it look like it's about to rain. Please don't rain. That would be so messed up because I just took my curly hair out. And, yeah, I don't want to have to put it back on. So anyway, I'll see y'all when something interesting is going on. Make sure you check out this beautiful number from Beauty Forever. So versatile. It's a 7x5, and I was able to put it up. And I'll be back when I figure out what's going on with my life. It's a cute flowy maxi dress with some Tory Burch nude slides that I have on. So we are going to put on, oh wow, let's just put on Guava Ganitas. This is the travel one. No full-size bottles this trip. I have on a Louis Vuitton bag and some rose gold Tory Burch Millers. Oh, it's hard to find stuff to wear with these. This smells amazing, y'all. I'm just gonna go get me something to eat real quick. That's what I'm gonna do. And call and see where my baby is, because maybe I'm moving too fast. I could just wait on him to come. But in the meantime, in between time, that's what's on our itinerary, child. Yes, ma'am. Let's go. I wanted to get to some natural light to see if this really doing it for me, because I was looking real crusty in that mirror in that bathroom. Let's go. Ooh wee! I ran downstairs to take my pictures real quick. It's too hot. Y'all almost didn't get no pictures in this outfit. Hello. We came on the Chick-fil-A and this thing booming. Y'all, they got stuff all everywhere saying how they workers can't come outside or anything because it's so hot. That's crazy how our norm is like extreme to everybody else because, baby, our people be out with umbrellas, water squirting everywhere, still outside because I guess because Texas is known for having this type of weather, but not here. Baby, no ma'am, they said, our workers ain't coming outside. So I just got me a little kids meal because I don't want to be overly bloated and etc. in my dress. And because it's tight, and I haven't went to the restroom today. And I ate Mexican food yesterday. I ate, what else did we eat? We went out to eat twice. Well, of course we have to go out to eat. We're not at home. Well, not of course. We had, what the heck did we, oh, the soul food at the African American Museum. So none of that is out of me. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should try before tonight, but as of right now, we're just gonna eat light, okay? So, baby's talking about he's leaving. I'm like, child, and I already walked the Chick-fil-A. Enjoy your family. I'm sorry? Baby, they say I don't even deserve a tray with a kids meal. Okay, I lay my stuff out on the table. It's cool. Worst Chick-fil-A ever. My fries was soggy and salty. My strips was old. And this damn thing, yeah. But I got enough in my system to last me to after the show. And then at the show, I can get a charcuterie or something. Actually have charcuterie in the room. P3s and Lunchables type stuff. Charcuterie. So I'm just irritated I wasted my money at this point. I'm just a little irritated some today. Let me get off this camera and pray a little bit more. Because the prayers I have been praying, I don't think they've been working yet. Let's try again. Lord, do you hear me? Brother place. Baby's in there talking to auntie. And I'm going to rest for about another hour before I change over to my night outfit. Yeah, they thought I was dressed. Head up and tie my top up now. I'll show y'all what I have on. And fine, hold on. Let me spray some spray. Oh Lord, I don't have any. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Miami. I almost said vice. Nectar. This is me. Polka dot dress, polka dot shoes. I gotta fix them though. I gotta fix them. But I do not want to make us late, and I don't want to take my camera in the theater. So everything else I will catch from my phone. All right, guys. So we're in here and we're seated. Very easy to get into this theater. We got a good parking spot. We're just waiting. We have less than 15 minutes. We have 10 minutes to showtime. This is my auntie first time seeing him in a play.
But like my dad's sister, she really in the play.
got out them clothes quick. Yeah, he's somewhere over there. Yeah, they coming up to us. Because he put us on the spot. I'm like, okay. We just stand up, they start clapping and everything. They want his autograph.
Thank you so much.
Cedric. They stand in line after.
Could we possibly take a picture of the three of you? Sure.
Let me get on here. She need a pen. She'll have a pen. This is my light bill.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Calvin, this your enjoyment?
All right, guys, we went here last night. It's called Guapos, and we're back again. Oh, my phone. I don't know. Back again. It was so good. My brother and them should already be in here. Let's go. Guys, we're back. Hours later. Hours later. It is now 1 o'clock. 1 a.m. We had a good time tonight.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you get to play? 10. I mean, we didn't see a hiccup, a flaw, a trip, a forgot line, a wardrobe malfunction, a state. I mean, it was just, and it was really easy to understand. Like I was telling Babe and my aunt, like sometimes when you're watching those plays or a movie, you know how sometimes you gotta watch it 2 times, 3 times because it's a part you missed, the part you didn't understand. And the best part was afterwards, right?
Yeah.
It was like seeing everybody like run over to get autographs from my brother and how they reacted to us. It was fun, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Then we went to eat. We ate the same thing we had last night, but that was another vlog. And last night it was better. I got fajitas today, and last night was just better. My makeup is still on. I did my makeup at 12, 11, 12. I don't remember. She's still on. I always have lipstick right there after I eat, though. Bye, yeah.
I went to Total One thinking I'm going to get my cousin.
What's wrong with me? Why are you looking at me like that?